Welcome to codePannu. Let us see how to use addition and division operators together. We are going to calculate the average of your subject marks. So how to calculate an average? I will tell you. We have to add all your subject marks and divide it by the number of subjects. Okay, here let us first create a variable called total. So put total equal to, now put all your subject marks with a plus sign in middle. So let us first write 83 plus 85 plus 89 plus 99 plus 98. Now let us print the average of it. Let us write a print statement. Print, open bracket, close bracket, and inside the brackets put total division operator and put the number of subjects, which is 5. Save the file and run the code. Look, the average of the total marks is printed successfully. To know more about operators, follow or subscribe codePannu. And for now, bye.